Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. So we have three methods on how you can fix this issue. So the first method is log out and log in back your account. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, you need to scroll down. And under the accounts, you need to tap this log out. And once you've done, tap on log out button. So once you log out your account, you need to log in back and try to check if that fixed the issue. Now, the second method here is to uninstall and reinstall your Discord app. So to do that, go to your phone settings and go to apps, then tap on manage apps. Then here, go to search box and type Discord. Then when you found the app, you want to go right here on the storage and just have to clear data, clear cache, and clear all data. And then once you've done, you need to go back and tap on this uninstall button. And once you uninstall this application, you need to reinstall this one. Go to Google Play Store and try to search for Discord and need to download again or reinstall this application. And then once you've done, you can now check if this fixed the problem on your Discord mobile. Now the third method here to fix this issue is download the older version. So to do that, go to Up to Down website. And here on this website, scroll down until you find all the older versions of Discord. And then try to download and install the application. And let's see if this fixes the issue. So that's how you basically fix Discord channels not showing on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.